In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to pair a GT88 Smartwatch to a phone. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to make sure Bluetooth is active on your phone, so go to Settings, turn Bluetooth on. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is to go to Bluetooth, go to Search New Device. Now go to Bluetooth on your phone, go to Search. Okay. Now as you can see, the watch has detected the phone. So when your phone appears, as it's appearing right here, go to the phone that appears on the watch and select it. Go to pair. And there you go. The smartwatch is paired with the phone. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.